I'm Tim.
And I'm Billy.
Together we are Number Squad.
We love solving number problems.
Big or small.
And we love helping our friends.
The gnomes won't stop sneezing until they drink my nose sneeze magic potion. I have ingredients to make enough for 2 gnomes, but I need to make enough for 4.
How many more ingredients does Mr. Mango need for the no-sneeze potion?
I think we need to use doubling to solve this.
Doubling means to add the same number to itself again, which makes it 2 times bigger.
Numero can show us.
Numero 0.
These ingredients are only enough to stop 2 sneezing gnomes.
We need to double these ingredients to have enough for 4 sneezing gnomes.
Let's double them up. 1 plus 1 equals 2.
4 plus 4 equals 8.
6 plus 6 equals 12.
That's so number neat.
They finally stopped sneezing.
3, 2, 1, problem gone.
Thank you, Number Squad.
No problem, Mr. Mango.
You can always count on Number Squad.